Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to roblox.com, or you could go ahead and open up the app and just basically go to settings, okay? And then click on settings once more. And then in here, just go ahead over to the left panel under settings and just click on security, okay? So go ahead and click on it. And then here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find two-step verification. Let's say, for example, you have the Authenticator app set as your authenticator or email right here. You can just go ahead and click on none, okay? Click on none. And then in here, it says if you turn off two-step verification, your account will be less secure and only your password will be needed for actions like logging in. Are you sure? So just click on confirm. And then after that, it's going to ask you for the authenticator code for the last time. So again, if you're using the Authenticator app, go ahead and open up the Authenticator app. And if you're just using email right here for two-step verification, go ahead and open up the specific email address. So as you can see here, I just received an email from Roblox. So just copy the code, paste that in here, click on verify. And as you can see here, it's done. It is now set to none. And that's how easy it is to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.